choice today with the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.